Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to block any website in Windows 11 PC. So firstly open File Explorer, then this PC. Now open C drive. Now here open Windows. Now here open folder system 32, this one. Now here find out drives, this one, drivers, open it. Now here open this file etc. Now here you will see hosts, right click on it. Now right click on it, click on open with. Select notepad, click on OK. Now you will see this file here. Now we will see this file here. Press enter on after local host. Make this number 127.0.0.1. Now press tab. Then type www.facebook.com. Then click on file and click on save. Now click here save as tab, all files, then click on save. So this way guys you can block any website in your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.